Assalamu alaikum. Get ready for a quiz about Imam Ali alayhi salam. What remarkable event happened during the birth of Imam Ali alayhi salam? The walls of the Kaaba opened, a meteor struck nearby, a bright star appeared. That's right, the walls of the Kaaba opened. According to a narration, Imam Ali alayhi salam is called Chief of the Army, Chief of the Believers, Chief of the Merchants. Chief of the Believers. Well done. Finish the narration. Obedience to Imam Ali alayhi salam is obedience to the Muslims, the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, his own rules. MashaAllah, the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. Why did Imam Ali alayhi salam choose simple food and clothing? He couldn't afford anything else. He followed a strict diet. He wanted to live a humble life. Yes, he wanted to live a humble life. What was the significance of the event at Ghadir Khum? Imam Ali alayhi salam was appointed to lead Mecca. Imam Ali alayhi salam was declared the Prophet's successor. The Prophet announced his retirement. Imam Ali alayhi salam was declared the Prophet's successor. Which battle did Imam Ali alayhi salam fight against the Khawarij, a group of extremists? Battle of Jamal, Battle of Nahrawan, or Battle of Siffin? It is the Battle of Nahrawan. What is the name of the book that contains some of the most eloquent speeches and writings of Imam Ali alayhi salam? Risal al-Huquq, Tafsir Qummi, Nahjul Balagha. It is Nahjul Balagha. Who did Imam Ali alayhi salam marry? Sayyidah Fatima, daughter of the Prophet, peace be upon him, Fatima bint Asad, Fatima al-Ma'suma. That's right, it is Sayyidah Fatima, daughter of the Prophet, peace be upon him. What role did Imam Ali alayhi salam play in protecting the Prophet, peace be upon him, during the night of his migration, Hijrah, from Mecca to Medina? He stayed behind in Mecca. He was the Prophet's guide during the journey. He slept in the Prophet's bed to confuse the enemy. He slept in the Prophet's bed to confuse the enemy. On which day did Imam Ali alayhi salam depart this world? 19th of Ramadan, 21st of Ramadan, 13th of Rajab. "21st of Ramadan." Well done, MashaAllah. How many did you get right? I hope you enjoyed this quiz. Until next time, fi amanillah.